All right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our Tensorflow course, and we're still going over our Visual Transformer or VIT module. Let's have a look at what we went over today. Now, we still haven't gotten around to writing any code yet. We're still just taking notes, so we're going to pick up with some light reading and leave it at that. So to better understand how and why we make use of patches, let's not forget that what the transformer encoder takes in is some import sequence. Our initial import sequence were words that could be represented by embedding vectors. Then our words combined with embedded vectors gets passed into the transformer. Since our input is the image, in order for us to represent it in patches, we have to break it up. So what we could do is if you look at first sight, we have this image. Remember, this is going to be represented, or supposed to be a whole image broken up into pieces or patches. As you can see, it's A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. So just imagine these brackets are in here, and this was just one whole image of from A to I. Let's suppose the image has a shape of 256 by 256 by, say, 3 channels. So we'd have 256 by 256 by 3. Then we can take each and every pixel here, and we'll exclude the 3 channels for now. So we'll focus on the 256 by 256 pixels. For each pixel in the 256 by 256 image, we would have a vector representing that pixel. So each pixel would have its own vector representation. And basically, that's what we went over today. Basically, we were going over pixels and vectors and how we can break up large images like this into patches so it'll be easier for us to pass into our transformer as opposed as to big images like this 256 by 256, which was an example, and try to pass that pixel by pixel into our transformer. So it'll be a lot easier to break this 256 by 256 up into patches and pass it to the transformer as opposed to having it get broken up into 256 by 256 pixels, which is a lot smaller, and it'll take up a lot more space and a lot more information and a lot more memory to actually try to run that. So yeah, basically we're gonna keep moving forward until we get into some code, so we can get some hands-on understanding of what we're actually doing with this module. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, this is the Python Poppy. You guys stay Gucci.